Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best whiteboard with stand is probably one of the most versatile tools for brainstorming, teaching, and organizing your thoughts. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or a creative professional, a good whiteboard can significantly boost your productivity and collaboration. Today, we're diving deep into the world of whiteboards with stands, exploring what makes a great one and helping you find the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. MAXTEK 36 by 24 Magnetic Dry Erase Easel. This MAXTEK easel whiteboard features a sturdy steel pipe tripod with rubber feet. It stands firm while you write or erase. The lightweight design makes it easy to move for different uses. The flip chart easel board has scale markings on the tripod legs. This helps you adjust the height easily and accurately from 42 to 63 inches. You can find the most comfortable height, whether you're sitting or standing. The easel whiteboard surface has a high-end 3-layered baking finish. This makes it highly solid and anti-scratch. It's easy to dry wipe with all dry erase markers, creating high-contrast markings. This 24 by 36-inch stand whiteboard comes with everything you need. It includes 2 flip chart hooks, 1 magnetic eraser, 3 pens, 6 magnets, and a detachable tray for supplies. To prevent shipping damage, the dry erase board is packaged in a reinforced box. It includes thick cardboard, corner protectors, and additional foam padding to secure the board. If you have any problems with the product, please contact us anytime. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we are always here to help. What we like. This whiteboard features a stable tripod, ensuring it stays put while you work. The adjustable height means it's perfect for anyone, whether you're sitting or standing. If you're looking for a whiteboard that's versatile and easy to use in any setting, this is the one for you. What people say. The whiteboard back makes it super sturdy and provides a firm back to write on. Easy to set up. Really light, so carrying it is very easy. Number 4. Kamelleo 48 by 36 Rolling Dry Erase Board. This whiteboard is made with high-quality materials, ensuring it will last a lifetime. Unlike other brands that use cheaper materials, this one is built to withstand frequent use. Designed for the office, classroom, or home, this whiteboard is incredibly durable. It's built to withstand years of use without staining or breaking, unlike some other whiteboards. You can set up this rolling dry erase board in under 15 minutes. No prior DIY experience is needed, it's designed for easy assembly. This mobile whiteboard features swing-stop wheels and a stable easel frame. It's easy to move and adjust, with a double-sided design to maximize space and magnetic surfaces for accessories. The dry erase surface absorbs less ink, keeping it clean for longer. This feature prevents stains, ensuring the board remains in good condition with regular use. What we like. This rolling whiteboard is built to last, with a design that withstands years of use. It's also easy to move and adjust, thanks to its wheels and locking features. If you need a durable and mobile whiteboard for your office or classroom, this is a great choice. What people say. The whiteboard is very sturdy and the perfect size. The whiteboard is easy to assemble and the perfect size for my needs. It is exactly what I was looking for and is perfect for my needs. Number 3. GMAOPHY 16 by 12 inches Magnetic Dry Erase Whiteboard. This double-sided board maximizes your writing space, perfect for multiple projects. It's ideal for small group teaching or personal use, and you can easily move it from room to room. The set includes 10 magnetic markers, 4 magnets, and an eraser. This whiteboard is great for any desk or table. Its portable design makes it easy to take with you. This double-sided whiteboard has a sturdy stand with an adjustable viewing angle. You can lay it flat, hang it on a wall, or stand it on your desk. It's a great tool for any setting. The board has a smooth writing surface that's easy to clean without staining. It provides maximum writing space. Remember to remove the protective film before use. This whiteboard is perfect for kitchens, dorms, and offices, and can also be used as a calendar. It's a great learning tool for students and enhances creative skills. It's a perfect gift for anyone. What we like. This double-sided whiteboard maximizes your writing space, perfect for small group teaching or personal use. It's portable and magnetic, making it easy to move around and organize. If you are a teacher or someone who needs a versatile and easy-to-use whiteboard, consider this. What people say. The whiteboard is very easy to assemble. The whiteboard is sturdy and well-built. The whiteboard is a great size for my needs. Number 2. TSJ Office 48 by 32 Rolling Magnetic Whiteboard. This rolling whiteboard is perfect for any setting. It's height adjustable and has a smooth magnetic surface, providing ample space for all your needs. The height adjusts to meet your needs, whether you're sitting or standing. It's ideal for classrooms, conference rooms, and homes. Made with high-quality materials, it's lightweight yet sturdy. The surface won't stain or ghost, and it enhances marker colors. This double-sided board gives you twice the writing space. It also locks firmly when you write, ensuring stability. With easy rolling wheels, it moves effortlessly. Each wheel locks, keeping it secure. It's simple to transport between rooms. The kit includes everything you need to get started. Enjoy this whiteboard as soon as you receive it. It's a great gift for anyone. It brings better organization, teaching, and learning. What we like. This whiteboard is height adjustable, making it suitable for all ages and environments. It features a dual-sided design for double the writing space. If you need a whiteboard that is easy to move and adjust, this is a great option. What people say. The whiteboard is very sturdy and the perfect size. The adjustable height is a great feature. It is easy to assemble. Number 1. Small dry erase whiteboard for wall. This double-sided board maximizes your writing space. It's perfect for small group teaching or personal use, allowing you to manage multiple projects. You can easily carry it from room to room. The 16 by 12 inch board comes with 10 magnetic markers, 4 magnetic pieces, an eraser, and a marker holder. Its size is great for various spaces. This portable design makes it easy to move around. This double-sided whiteboard has a sturdy stand with a 360-degree adjustable viewing angle. It can lay flat, hang on a wall, or stand on a desk. It's a versatile tool for any setting. This whiteboard is great for kitchens, dorms, and offices. It's also a fantastic learning tool, helping students with lesson plans. It enhances creativity and is a perfect gift for anyone. The magnetic whiteboard has a smooth writing surface that's easy to clean without staining. The double-sided design gives you maximum writing space. Remember to remove the protective film before use. What we like. This double-sided whiteboard maximizes your writing space, perfect for small group teaching or personal use. It's portable and magnetic, making it easy to move around and organize. If you are looking for a gift for kids or students, this is a great choice. What people say. The whiteboard is very sturdy and the perfect size. The adjustable height is a great feature. It's easy to assemble and the perfect size for my needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.